Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the different options of Metabox frameworks that you can use with your WordPress theme. So the very first Metabox framework I have with me is ACF. So this is actually Advanced Custom Fields, and this is a very good Metabox framework. You can see the interface; it's very good looking, and you can do a lot of things with ACF. So you can get the free version from the WordPress directory. You can basically start with this, but if you want some advanced features as well, you can use the pro version. So you can see it has over 1 million active installations, which says it's an amazing product. So yeah. So the next framework is CodeStar framework. It's a amazing framework as well, but the thing is, before it was free entirely, but now the only admin option of the framework is free. If you want to use the Metabox option, then you have to use the premium version of it. But it's worth it because CodeStar is one good framework to work with as well. So you can definitely check this out. The third one I have with me is CMB2. So this is equally an amazing framework. You can get the framework from here, GitHub. So this is you can give it a try as well. The next framework I'm gonna talk about is Picklist. To me, it feels like it's kind of underrated. People don't use it very much, but it's very easy. It's not as popular as ACF or CodeStar, but it's actually quite easy to use Picklist, and if you start using Picklist for once, you will get hooked, and you can actually get the plugin from the WordPress directory. And this is an amazing plugin. So it has over 8,000 installations. Not that much comparing to ACF, but if you give it a try, I bet you will fall in love with it. And the last one is Redux framework. I have made couple of themes with Redux framework. This is a good framework as well. It has like 900,000 active installations and a lot of 5-star reviews. So yeah, you can give it a try as well. So that's my top 5 Metabox frameworks to use with WordPress theme, to make WordPress theme. Tell me which one is your favorite and which one is are you working with right now. So if I missed any good framework, do comment below so I can add that up in my next video like this. So yeah, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care.